philosophization of innumerability. Today, together with me, I'd like you to philosophize the concept of innumerable matter, especially the meaning of knowledge. To philosophize the concept of innumerability gives you an opportunity to think of how you can be intellectual. So, slowly, today, I'd like you to follow me. Every day, human beings study something they need. Actually, I can tell there's nobody who doesn't study anything, who doesn't get anything. This means as long as you live here on earth, you wish to develop yourself. You'd like to learn something new every day, little by little. Then the point is how you go forth as a being, intellectual. Have you ever thought about the following? You are learning various matters every day. Then, how many fragments of knowledge and information you have in your brain? You say some sort of impossibility to count how many fragments you have in your brain. Actually, nobody knows anything about this matter. Can you count here how many pieces of knowledge and information you have? You don't know how to count the number of them. This is a matter. This is a start for you to think of the concept of the importance of innumerability. To imagine or mysteriously feel, and of course deeply philosophize this matter. It's quite important for you to be surely intellectual. You learn something new today. Tomorrow, you learn different things. You continue learning new things. You have more and more intellectual fragments in your brain. Actually, the number of those fragments is quite countless. The number is countless, so you cannot count how many you have. Then I tell you don't have to count anything because it is impossible to know how many pieces of knowledge you have. Congratulations on your ignorance of how many pieces of knowledge you have in your brain. Because this shall be the first recognition for you to be really intellectual first. Anyway, you have some sort of knowledge in your brain. Is it the soft fragment or solid fragment? This matter is pretty crucial. If you're receiving the pieces of knowledge superficially, based upon stereotypical mentality, those fragments are quite solid. You have just those pieces in your brain, that's it. Conversely, if you live flexibly, you understand naturally the importance of flexibility. Those fragments shall be, I tell clearly, soft enough, flexible enough to have some sort of relation with the other fragments. Little by little, you go forth to have flexible knowledge in your brain through living. Flexibility affects so many things in your intellectuality. To receive something based upon self-centered ego and unnecessary local elements doesn't affect anything beautifully. If you're dominated by evil, you wish to parade the knowledge you got. It doesn't make any sense. Do not wish to parade your knowledge. I'd like you to think of all the time something necessary, how you take action by using necessary pieces of knowledge. Naturally, you can be capable enough, supernaturally, you come to feel, this is my way to be a highbrow. Let's just be finished now.